Kris Kristofferson is an American singer-songwriter, musician, and actor, born on June 22, 1936, in Brownsville, Texas. He is best known for his contributions to country music and for penning classics like Me and Bobby McGee, Help Me Make It Through the Night, For the Good Times, and Mornin Comin Down. Kristofferson's music career took off in the 1970s, and he became a key figure in the outlaw country movement alongside artists like Willie Nelson and Johnny Cash. In addition to his music career, Kristofferson has had a successful acting career, appearing in numerous films such as A Star Is Born, 1976, for which he won a Golden Globe Award, Pat Garrett and Billy the Kid, 1973, and the Blade of film series. Kristofferson's work has earned him numerous accolades, including induction into the Country Music Hall of Fame in 2004. Known for his deep, gravelly voice and evocative songwriting, he remains an influential figure in both music and film. Kristofferson has had health problems in the past few decades. He had heart surgery in 1999. Later, he started having memory loss. Recently, he had a serious accident that worried his fans and loved ones. One evening, Kristofferson fell from the second floor of his apartment while sleepwalking. He hurt his head badly, causing a dangerous blood clot in his brain. His manager found him unconscious and called emergency services. Paramedics took him to the hospital, where doctors found out how serious his injuries were. The blood clot is pressing on his brain and needs a complicated surgery to remove it without causing more damage. Kristofferson is now getting advanced medical care at a top hospital. Surgeons are planning the operation very carefully because it is risky and complex. The surgery involves delicate work to avoid further harm while fixing the problem. His family, especially his wife, is very supportive. She shared their worries on social media, asking for thoughts and prayers for Kris. She said, "We are deeply worried about Kris. This surgery is a big challenge, but we trust the medical team and everyone's prayers. Please support and pray for Kris as he gets ready for this surgery." The music community and fans are sending lots of love and prayers to Kris Kristofferson. His long career with many hits and great performances has touched many lives. The surgery is a crucial part of his recovery, needing both the skill of his doctors and the support of his fans.